Hello! Today we are going to demonstrate how you can check the mobile data usage in Android 13. So first of all, you want to launch the settings. Next, enter the network and internet category. In here you want to tap on the SIMs section. And as you can see, the dedicated SIM card page will contain the amount of cellular data used for the current period of time, which is 30 days. Or should I say, which will be accumulated for the next 30 days and will show the cellular data usage for this particular period of time. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.